Hello everybody, welcome to Cooking with Class, the best cooking school in Paris. Our office team is here to welcome you to a taste of Paris. Atelier Lyon, a cozy hub for savory culinary classes. Our lounge area is the perfect spot for a coffee break. Atelier Paris is where pastry dreams come to life. Located on the lower level, Atelier Bordeaux gives more chance to cook with us. Join our popular market class for a hands-on cooking experience. It was the first class I taught back in 2007. It continues to be the favorite with visitors to Paris. Our chefs serve a perfect blend of cooking joy and technique with professional ease. Our patisserie and baking classes are where you will be crafting pastries from madeleines to boutique gâteaux. Master the art of croissant, a French culinary staple. Embrace the art of bread making from kneading to baking. Our Marie Antoinette class brings a royal twist to French desserts. At Cooking with Class, we offer fun culinary experiences for the whole family with pâtisserie en famille, cuisine en famille, and macarons en famille. Let's celebrate with seasonal delights from chocolate to bûche de Noël. Join us at Cooking with Class for a memorable French culinary experience. À bientôt!